Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you two ways I make my banana milkshake using milk and ice cream. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. I will start by showing you how I make my banana milkshake with milk. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have bananas, milk and honey. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will start off by peeling the banana. I'll cut the ends of it, then cut it into smaller pieces. I will put the banana inside the blender. I will add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then pour in the milk. Cover with lid. Then blend it. Now I'm going to show you how I make my banana milkshake with ice cream. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have bananas, vanilla ice cream and milk. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will put the banana inside my blender, then add my vanilla ice cream. Then pour in the milk. Cover with lid. Then blend it. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my banana milkshake using milk and ice cream. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.